Good afternoon, guys. We're obviously at the storage unit. Go on in there, bud. Picked up a fridge on the way in. We got a bunch more pickups. We'll show you as we get them. We couldn't film because they were home. We got then we're gonna fill this truck and trailer today. So, jumping back to remeasure the trailer. No, but we're gonna go side to side because they gotta get it this way. So you go to the side there. Okay, put it on the ground. Go right over, measure the bottom black. You got to buckle it.
I know how to use a tape measure.
Well, that's a first.
90 inch.
90 inch?
Hang on. Yep.
Okay, straighten it out a bit. Come this way. There, now measure it straight like that.
90, bang on.
Okay, so still 90. All right, so we'll cut it to 90. All right. Good thing I checked that.
Woo, that was angry.
So, we'll see when we get our next little pickup. But first, Tim Hortons Coffee and Donuts for us. See you in a bit. All right. So we're at another stop here. So what, third stop, bud?
I don't know, I can't count that high.
Neither can I. So the transmission to go here, and this. Nobody around so we can film. And here, yikes. We got our fridge. This great, big, huge exercise bike. Holy, lifting is heavy. A microwave and a washer. So that's what we got here on so far. And we had to unhook the trailer because we can't turn around here. We drove in here, unhooked the trailer, pushed the trailer to a parking spot.
No, you didn't.
And then we'll just load up, drive out that way, hook on her, take her straight out, no worry if we turn her around. Yeah, professionals, I tell you. All right, we'll see you in a bit doing something. We don't know, so you don't know. Ha ha. Change my mind, we're gonna show you the comedy routine of loading. Where I do all the work, and he's just there and tries to figure out what I'm doing.
Exactly.
Want to stand up right there, bud?
No. You stand it up right.
All right, now, tip it forward like this. Grab it at the bottom, like that's what she said, and slide her up in. Get your side over there, bud, so we push it in. It's just water, it won't hurt you. Now,
You get that.
how heavy is this bloody transmission now?
Very.
Oh, look, bonus, tie rod in.
It's like a tweet.
Now, I would like some help over here.
No. Don't.
That was a finger.
Ah, you don't need it anyway. I'm wet.
Not saying a word. So that's all over. Now, you done with the trailer, bud?
No.
Don't lower it, whatever you do.
I'm raising it.
That's what she said. Right. Guide me back, bud. Straight, sideways. All right.
Good enough, we can always push it forward.
Ain't pushing that forwards. Buddy, we got 4,000. All right, you got it lined up?
Yeah. You're saying?
I hate it when he's right, I really do.
It's a parking lot.
Thank God it's very seldom. I was a parking lot, but raved uphill with a load on the trailer, bud. You got lucky that time.
No, I'm smart.
Oh, no, I say lucky. I know your intelligence. Ha ha. Why don't you call you broken rubber there, squirrel?
Don't go there.
Here's what he's doing up there. Let's see if we can line up the hole right. Ha ha ha. Use my gloves.
I'm a professional.
There, he actually got her on right. Mark that one down in the books, by God.
What do you mean when your car sounds like that? Someone's angry.
Ow, forget to tell you to watch your ears.
Do me a favor, go hit the 4 lanes.
I got lights, you check that. Yeah, we have lights.
Get that. That's pretty important.
Safety first.
Yeah, you didn't listen to that one. It's actually safety third. Get it right.
All right, we're all hooked up, are we?
Yep. Drive away.
Do the old double check here, get moving. You're not standing between two vehicles while they're being moved. You're not that stupid, I hope.
Yeah, I am.
All right, so let's see you back at the homestead. What a view. We're back at the homestead. Scrap Puppy's all excited. What's in the trailer? Hey, what's in the trailer? What's in the trailer? Wait, go look. What's in the trailer? He ain't a stupid dog, is it? Is that money? What's in the truck? What's in the trailer? What's in there? Not under, what's in? Can you see what's in there, buddy? No? Okay. So anyways, let's check it out. Hey, up, check it out. What's in here, huh? Yeah, hey, get down. Yeah. Calm down now. So as you see, he's off the chain and very frisky. So yeah, that's just our pickups today. I was going to take it this way the way it is, but I think that me and Scrap Hound will tear that down right here in the yard, won't we, buddy? We'll do that as a video. Excuse all the nail noise. We unloaded the transmission at the end of the driveway. We're going to strip that down to clean cast. And we got the washer. Yeah, another washer in the back here. Plus all the stuff on the fridge. So we're going to strip this all down next couple of days. We'll unload it there tomorrow, I will. We got our hook from the truck there. We got some commercial garages to do tonight. And some bins. We might film some of that, don't know yet. And some places we're not allowed to. The most of them we aren't allowed to. So we'll get this all unloaded after so we have a bite to eat. And then we're going to head back in the city. And that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. And get off the truck. And we'll catch you on the next one. Stop trying to trip me, you darn idiot. Look at this. Hey, hey, sit. 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 Ow, ow. You were going to jump on me, buddy. That hurts. Now sit. Yeah, he buzzed through. He does not like the buzz, makes him scratch. Sit. No. Okay, just don't jump on me. Hey, easy, good boy. Look at that. Look at that. Handsome boy. All right, guys. Y'all take care and stop being molested by the dog. He keeps trying to trip me. Get off my feet. All right. God bless y'all. Have a good one. Thanks for being here. Hopefully I win this battle.